Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Glip Recorder and choosing the conversation you want to capture. This is where context lives, so pick the right room. Grant microphone, camera, and file permissions so the app can record and save. This avoids mid-session failures. Next, check your audio levels, aim for peaks around -6 dB, then press record. You're starting the process now because waiting creates lost takes once recording starts. You can add markers or notes to mark important segments. Once you have a running capture, manage the session actively. Use pause or resume to skip irrelevant bits without creating many files. Add markers or short notes to index content because that speeds editing later. If you need a different mic or camera, open Settings devices and switch without stopping the session. Glip swaps inputs on the fly. Also watch CPU and disk usage. If frames drop, reduce resolution or frame rate so your recording stays smooth and your file sizes remain manageable. To finish, press stop, give the file a clear name, and pick an export format like MP4 for video or WAV for high-quality audio, because format affects compatibility. Review the saved file immediately and trim or export to your editor if you need finer edits. This prevents wasted re-records. If something went wrong, say audio is missing, check mic permissions first, confirm the selected input device, and restart Glip Recorder. Those steps resolve most capture issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.